Let me ask you something. How many times have you reached for your phone without even thinking? You open an app, start scrolling, and suddenly 30 minutes are gone. You think you're lazy. You think you lack discipline. But the truth is, you're not lazy. You're just living on autopilot. Your brain loves patterns. It wants to save energy, so it turns your daily actions into habits. Waking up and checking notifications? Autopilot. Eating while watching videos? Autopilot. Avoiding hard work because it feels uncomfortable? That is your brain staying in the safety zone. You aren't making choices anymore. Your habits are making them for you. To fix your focus, you must take back the steering wheel. Here is how you break the cycle. 1. The 5-second rule. The moment you feel the urge to procrastinate, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Don't give your brain time to switch to autopilot. Before you start a new task, sit still for 60 seconds. Do nothing, just breathe. This resets your brain and stops the mindless jumping from one thing to another. If your phone is next to you, you will pick it up. That's autopilot. If your phone is in another room, you have to make a conscious choice to go get it. Make the bad habits hard to reach. Life is happening right now, but if you're on autopilot, you're missing it. Stop blaming your lack of talent. Stop calling yourself lazy. Wake up, take control, and start living with intention. If this video made you realize something today, don't just scroll to the next one. Close this app, sit in silence for 5 minutes. Take back your mind.